Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, power the phone off and remove SIM/SD, then set a clean, static-free workspace. Heat the screen edges gently to soften adhesive. 40-60 degrees C is enough. Then apply a suction cup and insert a thin pick to lift the glass slightly. Use precision drivers to remove visible screws and keep each screw grouped by position. Once done, you'll have a loosened front panel and exposed perimeter clips. This reduces risk of cracking and prepares the device for safe internal access. With the panel partially lifted, you pry evenly around the frame to avoid stress points and keep tension off the glass. As soon as an internal bracket is visible, disconnect the battery first to prevent shorts. Then, use a nylon spudger to release display, digitizer, and camera flex cables. Work methodically and photograph each connector for reassembly. If adhesive holds a portion, reapply heat briefly before levering. Once you remove all cables and brackets, the old screen will separate cleanly and leave the chassis ready for the replacement. Place the replacement screen near the frame, reconnect display and digitizer flexes, and connect the battery just long enough to power on for a function check. Display, touch, proximity, and cameras. If all tests pass, disconnect power, apply fresh adhesive or double-sided tape to the chassis, then seat the new screen and press uniformly to bond. Reinstall brackets and screws in reverse order, torque gently, and reinstall SIM. If touch or display fails, make sure connectors are fully seated and clean. Restart and reseat the cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.